Alright guys, so in our previous video we actually learned that acids are substances which ionize in water to produce hydrogen ions as the only positive ions, alright? So if you still have any confusion, you still have any problem with acids, you could just go back to that video, watch, and make sure you understand every content of the video, right? Okay, so today, and of course in this very video, we will be looking at bases. Are you following? So what is a base? A base is simply any substance which will neutralize an acid to produce what? Salt and water. Are you following? Now, common examples of bases, we have the metal hydroxide. What I mean by metal hydroxide, we have NaOH, all right, KOH, AlOH3, okay, CaOH2, all right, and then we have MgOH, of course, too. So these are metal hydroxides. Are you following? This is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide, okay? And from our definition, we are told that a base will neutralize an acid to produce what? Salt and water. Now, example of an acid from our previous video. Let's say we are using HCl. So HCl, okay? Let's see the reaction. So HCl is reacting with, let's say, sodium hydroxide, which is the base now. Okay, so from the definition, this very sodium hydroxide will neutralize this hydrochloric acid to give us what? Sodium chloride. All right, because of course sodium will take the place of hydrogen. So sodium chloride plus what? H2O, which is water. In this very case, sodium hydroxide has already what? Neutralized hydrochloric acid to give us what? Sodium chloride, which is our normal table salt, and what? And water. So this is what? The definition of a base. Are you following? Now, you can see that all the bases I wrote on the board here actually have the hydroxide or the OH. Are you following? But not all bases have OH in them. Do you understand? Like ammonia, NH3, okay? Ammonia is actually a base. Are you following? But then when ammonia actually ionizes, all right, in aqueous solution, it releases what is called the what? The hydroxide ion. In this very case, we could still define a base as any substance which in aqueous solution releases what? A hydroxide ion. For instance, when ammonia NH3 reacts with water H2O, right? This is bound to give us what we call ammonium ion, all right? Plus what? OH minus. So you could see that this very reaction has given us what? A hydroxide ion, meaning that this is also what? A base. Are you following at all? All right. Now, most students confuse the fact that bases are gotten from basic oxides, okay? Yes, most bases are gotten from what? Basic oxides, but not all bases. For instance, ammonia is not an oxide. Are you following? All right. So the reaction of ammonia with water releases what? Hydroxide ion. Okay. So most bases are actually gotten from what? Basic oxides. All right. But not all bases. Okay. So we still continue. Please anticipate our next video where we'll address strong and weak bases. All right. Thank you. I still remain teacher Luca. Bye.